I've made this template by printing out a to scale layout which I found on the web. I had to fiddle around a bit to get it the right size, which I think I have, and just laid that out and cut round it. I've adjusted it slightly because I don't like the square bit that the jack socket goes into, and there was a funny square bit here which I've got rid of as well. And apparently what you need to do is to make another template which will become the master template. So it's good practice for this routing thing, which I haven't actually used before. Okay, here I've got the neck, which is a cheap one, about £25 from Amazon. It actually looks quite good. I've put a bone nut in it. I'm probably going to need to flatten the frets a bit, but they're actually quite smooth. Looks quite straight, and should be okay for now anyway. So I'm going to match the size of the neck pocket to this neck, which looks pretty good. And if I put these pieces of wood in and clamp them, I can route up against them. If the neck pocket's that tight, I'll be happy. Okay, we've got to the moment of truth, cutting the body out. I'm going to try, first of all, using this bandsaw, which is extremely small and very weak and quite rubbish, in fact. So I'm expecting to have difficulties with it, and I might very well end up having to go on to using a jigsaw, which I'm hoping not to do because it's going to be more trouble. But anyway, I'll try this and see how I get on. Okay, not too bad so far, better than I was expecting it to be. So I'm going to carry on. Okay, job done. Here it is. And I'm pretty chuffed with it, to be honest. That went a lot better than I was expecting it to. Pretty sure I haven't gone over the lines, and it's all pretty vertical and ready for routing. Still pretty heavy though, but you know, can't have everything. Okay, all done, with one mishap, which is here, which happened with the other bit, which was thinner. I think this one works a lot better. So I'm going to glue it down and probably finish it by hand. Today I'm going to be routing a round over on the back of the body, and I'm going to try and avoid doing it around where the neck goes, so that the neck plate can be attached properly. So I've got this rigged up, I've tested it, and I hope that it's going to be in the right place. So let's find out, shall we? Okay, it's looking pretty good. I managed to stop in the right place, and that's ready for, well, the back's ready for the tummy contour, which I'm going to do with a rasp, I think, and the top is ready for some routing. Excellent.